Team avoids updating plugins, not because they do not care, because updates feel risky. Last time they updated WordPress, a feature broke. The time before that, a plugin conflict took the site down. So updates pile up, months pass. Security patches sit uninstalled. Then something breaks. A vulnerability gets exploited. A plugin stops working. The team scrambles. This is not laziness. It's a fear. Today I'm walking through how to handle plugin updates without panic. The answer is not avoiding updates. It is creating a predictable, low-risk process. Let's break it down. Most teams treat plugin updates as fire drills. Updates pile up until something forces action, a security alert, a broken feature, a compatibility issue. Then the team rushes. They update everything at once. They test quickly. They hope nothing breaks. Then something does break. They scramble to fix it. This creates 3E breakdowns across the 3E framework. Audience experience suffers because risk accumulates. Outdated plugins create security vulnerabilities. Performance degraded. Features stop working. Users encounter errors. Creator experience suffers because fear of change slows publishing. Content teams avoid certain features because they might break during an update. Workflows become rigid. Developer experience suffers because update chaos replaces planning. Engineers spend days troubleshooting issues that could have been prevented. Incidents spike. The pattern repeats. Updates get delayed. Risk builds. Something breaks. The team reacts. This is not a technical problem. It is a process problem. Update chaos happens for 3 reasons. No regular cadence. Teams update when forced, not on a schedule. This creates unpredictability. No risk tiers. Teams treat all updates the same. A minor bug fixes get the same attention as a major version upgrade. Effort spreads thin. No repeatable test approach. Teams test differently every time. Sometimes they test thoroughly, sometimes they skip steps. Quality becomes inconsistent. Without cadence, updates pile up. Without risk tiers, teams waste time on low-risk changes. Without a test plan, issues slip through. The result is predictable. Updates feel risky. Teams avoid them. Incidents increase. The fix is creating risk tiers, scheduling monthly updates, and following a test plan aligned to risk level. Step 1. Create risk tiers. Not all updates carry equal risk. A security patch for a minor plugin is low risk. A major version upgrade of your CMS is high risk. Categorize updates into 3 tiers. Tier 1, low risk. Minor version updates, security patches, bug fixes for non-critical plugins. These updates are safe to batch. Test lightly, deploy confidently. Tier 2, medium risk. Minor version updates to critical plugins, feature additions, updates that touch core workflows. These updates need focused testing. Verify key workflows, check for conflicts. Tier 3, high risk. Major version upgrades, CMS core updates, changes to payment processor or critical integrations. These updates need full regression testing. Stage rollouts, rollback plans ready. Document which plugins fall into which tier. Make it visible. Update it as your state changes. Step 2. Schedule monthly updates. Unpredictability creates fear. Regularity creates confidence. Set a recurring monthly update window. It might be the first Tuesday of every month. It might be the third Thursday. The day matters less than the consistency. During that window, review available updates. Apply Tier 1 updates immediately. Schedule Tier 2 and Tier 3 updates based on priority. A regular cadence prevents updates from piling up. It turns updates from the fire drills into routine maintenance. Follow a test plan aligned to risk. Each risk tier needs a different test approach. For Tier 1, low risk, update and staging. Smoke test critical pages, homepage, key templates, deploy to production. Verify site loads correctly. This takes 15 minutes. For Tier 2, medium risk, update and staging. Test affected workflows end to end. Check the plugin conflicts. Validate forms, checkouts, or publishing flows. Deploy to production during low traffic hours. Monitor the errors. This takes 30 to 60 minutes. For Tier 3, high risk. Update and staging. Run full regression tests. Test all critical user journey. Verify integrations, payment, analytics, CRM. Review performance metrics. Deploy to production with a rollback plan ready. Monitor actively for 24 hours. This takes several hours or more. Document your test plans. Make them checklists. Follow them every time. Consistency prevents issues from slipping through. Step 4. Keep a change log. Every update should be documented. Record what was updated, when, and by whom. Note any issues encountered. Track how long testing took. This creates accountability. It helps you spot patterns. It makes rollback easier. If something breaks, you know exactly what changed. Step 5. Plan a rollback. Even with good testing, updates can fail. Before every Tier 2 or Tier 3 update, confirm your rollback plan. Can you revert to the previous version quickly? Do you have backups? Do you know the steps? Test your rollback process in staging before you need it in production. A tested rollback plan turns panic into procedure. You know the system is working when you see 2 changes. Incidents per update cycle decrease. Updates happen smoothly. Fewer post-update fires, fewer emergency fixes. Time per cycle decreases. Your team knows the process. Testing becomes faster. Updates feel routine instead of stressful. Creators trust that updates will not disrupt their work. Developers spend less time firefighting. Users see fewer errors. The system supports stability instead of creating chaos. Once your update process stabilizes, the next challenge is measuring what matters. Most teams track too many metrics or none at all. They don't know if platform health is improving. The solution is a simple scorecard that tracks the experiences that drive resilience. I'll cover how to build the 3E scorecard in the next episode. Plugin updates do not have to be fire drills. Create risk tiers, schedule monthly updates, follow a test plan aligned to risk. It aligns audience, creator, and developer experience by reducing incidents and building confidence. If your team avoids updates out of fear, start here. Thanks for listening. If you like the content, like and subscribe. See you next time.